5 signs your local business is invisible online and how video can fix it. Is your business struggling to get noticed online? You're not alone. Many local businesses are practically invisible in the digital world. And if people can't find you online, they won't become your customers. Here's the good news. Video content can change everything. Let's dive into 5 red flags that signal your online invisibility and how video marketing can turn things around. 1. Your website gets little to no traffic. Your website is like a storefront. If no one visits, you won't get new leads. The problem: Google won't rank your site if it lacks fresh, engaging content. And if you're not ranking, customers won't find you. Turn blog posts into engaging videos. Search engines love video content. A well-optimized video can push your site higher in search results, bringing in more visitors. Add videos to your website. They keep visitors engaged longer and reduce bounce rates. Key factors for better rankings. 2. Your social media feels like a ghost town. Social media is a gold mine for attracting customers. But if your post gets 0 likes, comments, or shares, you're wasting valuable space. The problem: people scroll past static posts. The algorithm prioritizes engaging content, especially videos. Short-form videos, Reels, Shorts, TikToks, perform best. They grab attention fast, get shared more, and boost your reach. Post consistent video content. The more you show up, the more the algorithm rewards you. 3. Your competitors dominate search results. If customers search for services in your area and find your competitors instead of you, that's a serious problem. The problem: your online presence isn't strong enough. You're not ranking for important keywords. Create video content optimized for local search. A video titled "Best Your Service in Your City" can rank on both Google and YouTube, giving you double the exposure. Add location-based hashtags and keywords in your video titles and descriptions to target local searches. 4. Your ads are expensive but not converting. Spending money on ads but getting little return. That's frustrating and costly. The problem: people don't trust businesses they've never heard of. If they've never seen your content before, they're less likely to engage with your ads. Warm up your audience with organic video content. When they see your face, hear your voice, and recognize your brand, they'll trust you more. Retarget your video viewers with ads. People who engage with your content first are more likely to convert later. 5. Your business feels stuck in the past. If your marketing strategy hasn't evolved, your competitors will leave you behind. The problem: old school marketing isn't enough anymore. Flyers, newspaper ads, and even traditional websites don't attract modern customers. Stay active on all major social platforms with a steady stream of video content. Show customers you're modern, relevant, and ready to serve them. Repurpose videos across multiple platforms. A single video can be turned into a YouTube short, an Instagram reel, a TikTok post, and a Facebook video. Maximizing your reach. Ready to make your business unstoppable? Video marketing isn't optional anymore. It's the secret weapon that separates thriving businesses from invisible ones. We can help. Our strategy turns your blog posts into engaging videos, short-form content, and social media gold. We keep your brand active everywhere your customers are, boosting your leads, visibility, and ROI. Want to see how it works? Book a free strategy call today and let's put your business in the spotlight. Don't let your business stay invisible. It's time to get noticed.